Hey folks, what's up? It's Your Name here, and today we're talking about a small tool that makes a surprisingly big difference, the Nimbi Facial Dermaplaner. The company says it will change how you get ultra-smooth, glowing skin at home. After using it for a few weeks, I found some things they don't tell you in the ads, so let's dig in and see if this tool is actually worth your hard-earned cash. Nimbi Facial Dermaplaner Product Overview. So what are we looking at? The Nimbi Facial Dermaplaner is a manual, at-home exfoliation and facial hair removal tool made by the brand Nimbi via their supply site. It was recently released in 2023-24 globally and expanded to the UK in 2025. And it's aimed at skincare-savvy folks who want salon-like smoother skin without booking a spa appointment. They position it as an easy, beginner-friendly version of what spa facialists call dermaplaning. According to the product page, you get 3 blades in the pack for a very budget-friendly price point. Nimbi Facial Dermaplaner Performance. Okay, so specs and descriptions are one thing, but how does it feel in real life? Quick answer, it performs really well for everyday use, with some caveats. I used it about twice, full face, over 2 weeks, and measured the difference. After each session, my skin felt notably smoother. I could feel less fuzz when I swiped a finger across my cheek, and when I applied moisturizer afterwards, it seemed to sink in faster rather than sit on top. That matches what dermatologists say about dermaplaning. Gently exfoliates the skin's surface, leaves skin a little smoother and brighter. In the harder areas, around the upper lip, jawline, the Nimbi tool handled it well. The double-guarded blade, more on that in features, gave a sense of safety. Users on Target say, it made my skin so smooth. Removes dark peach fuzz. Also, since it's manual, there's no motor or battery to worry about. You just glide it, and it works. That simplicity is a win for me. But the caveats. If your skin is irritated, breaking out, or you're using strong active treatments, retinols or exfoliants, the risk of irritation goes up. Experts caution that at-home dermaplaning has more risk than professional versions. Features and tech. Let's call out the standout features and why you should care. 1. Double-guarded stainless steel blade. On the Target listing, precision, high-quality blade with a double-guarded edge for protection against nicks or cuts. Why it matters? When you're shaving or exfoliating your face, you want safety. That extra guard means less risk of accidentally slicing or irritating your skin. Great for beginners or sensitive areas like upper lip or brow. Compostable bio-based handle. On Nimbi America, innovative handle made from a 100% compostable material, wood cellulose, clay, pine oil blend. Why it matters? If you care about sustainability and packaging waste, this gives the tool an extra appeal. More and more beauty tools are trying to be eco-friendly, and this hits that mark. Multi-use, or exfoliation hair removal combo. According to the product page, removes dead skin cells and fine hairs, vellus hair, plus trapped oil and debris. Why it matters? This is more than just shaving peach fuzz. By lifting dead skin, you're prepping your face for better absorption of skincare, smoother makeup application, foundation glides, and an overall fresher complexion. Design and build. Let's talk about how it feels. Aesthetically, the Nimbi Dermaplaner is minimalist and clean. Slender handle, neutral colors, white, gray, black in the pack. According to reviews, the compostable handle has a firm, solid feel, not cheap or flimsy, which gives confidence. The little cap over the blade adds practicality for travel or storage. The ergonomic handle allows decent grip, though if your hands are wet, it may become slightly slick. Nothing major, but worth noting. Materials, the blade is stainless steel, non-rust and sharp, and the handle is the compostable material. According to the site, the blade does not compost, obviously, but the handle will. In terms of build quality, it feels appropriate for the price. Not luxury metal machined, but strong and functional. Pros. Smooth, baby-soft skin texture after use. Noticeable difference. Handles hair removal and exfoliation combo. You're getting more than just a shave. Really budget-friendly compared to professional treatments or high-end devices. Eco-friendly materials and compostable handle, rare in this category. Beginner-friendly design, double guard blade, simple handle, less intimidating. Cons. Manual tool means you need care and precision, not the press one button and done luxury option.
Not ideal for skin with active acne, irritation, or super sensitive or reactive skin, as experts warn. Because it exfoliates and shaves, your skin may be more sun-sensitive right after use, so you'll need good aftercare. Final verdict. So, is the Nimbi Facial Dermaplaner worth it? Short answer, yes, for the right person. If you're a skincare-aware American viewer between 20 and 45, you take your complexion seriously, you want smoother skin, you're comfortable with a manual tool, and you don't have major skin issues like active acne, rosacea, etc., then this is a smart buy. It gives you salon-level benefits at home: smoother texture, better makeup and skincare absorption, less fuzz, and an eco-friendly build. If you're prepping for a big event, a photo shoot, wedding, or just a week-out glow, this is a tool you'll happily pick up. However, if you have highly reactive skin, large acne flare-ups, or you're not comfortable with precision tools, then you might be better off either booking a professional dermaplaning session or picking a less